My name is Rich Thurston. I'm the president of AssetGuard. I've got John Turner with me, vice president of sales and marketing, and Richard Davis, vice president of operations.
We came out to introduce some of our liner technology that fits into lagoon space and surf park space.
It's a great product, very durable.
That's a styrofoam cup. I can stand on it. And this is actually an egg that we sprayed. So I could go up there and drop it off that and it wouldn't break.
Is that the goal, are getting into more surf pools?
Absolutely, yeah. So our products work for concrete-based pools as well as earthen-based pools. So I think more in the traveling wave where you have larger lagoon space where you're looking for a liner system that's going to be robust and last a long time. But also some of our technology works in retrofitting. So if you have aging concrete, if you have damaged concrete that's been rubbleized over years of use, then we can come in and retrofit that. We can either do a liner over it or we can just resurface and put some of our polyurea technology on it.
So you're going to gain about 80% of the physical properties within 24 hours. Full cure, depending upon ambience, is 10 to 14 days.
We've been around 20 years. We've been using a polyurea technology. You can think of it as kind of like an ultra hard truck bed liner, ultra tough, right? Very tear resistant, very puncture resistant. We can use that as a direct spray, so we can spray it onto concrete, onto walls. We can spray it onto metal, many different substrates. It works very well. And we also have a liner system that we manufacture in-house where we're using that same technology, but we're putting it on rolls. So it rolls out like carpet and we seam it together on site. So you have an impenetrable waterproof membrane that's going to last you decades for your asset. So yeah, definitely a good fit for the technology in the market.
Awesome, and you feel like you made some good connections at today's event?
Absolutely, yeah. We got to talk to a lot of new people. We actually ran into some of our clients here, which is pretty cool and unexpected. But we also talked to architecture firms, engineering firms, some of the wave tech guys. All of them have different aspects of what they like about our technology and what they'd be interested in talking to us further about. So I think, yeah, it was very positive.